Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Elite and welcome to our today's video on the topic of volatile oils. आज हम volatile oils के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. This is from Making Pharmacognosy Easy जो हमारा नया सीरीज स्टार्ट किया है. We already have posted videos on the topic of alkaloids and glycosides. In case आपने पहले के वीडियो मिस हुए हैं आपके, you can no worries, you can watch them on our YouTube channel धर्मेश मेहता GPAT. Just YouTube में धर्मेश मेहता GPAT टाइप करो, you will get all the playlist. That is Cognosy series, Boost Your Basic series, Drug of the Day series, Master Plan series, and there are a lot of videos in each of the series. So you can definitely watch that, it will help you. शुरू करते हैं volatile oils के बारे में. Now what are volatile oils? Volatile oils are mainly odorous volatile principles from plant and animal sources. That is, ये plant या animal sources से derive करते हैं, which are having a good odor and they are volatile in nature. And chemically, if you go to see, they are derived from terpenes. That is, terpenes are the ones which are chemically made of isomers of isoprene units. That is, जो isoprene unit होते हैं, उसके isomers होते हैं, from which you get terpenes. Now, what are these isoprene units? उसका formula क्या है? C5H8. So you have to always remember the formula कि isoprene का formula क्या है, and then you might be asked if it is a monoterpene, diterpene, sesquiterpene. That many times you multiply, that is C5H8 into 2, H8 into 3, like that based upon the what you are asked. But main formula ये आपको याद रहना जरूरी है. अब हम एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेबल देखेंगे. आई वुड से दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टेबल फ्रॉम वोलेटाइल ऑयल्स के चैप्टर में से. आपको कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली आएगा बेस्ड अपॉन द एग्जांपल्स एंड क्लास. दैट इज, अगर आपको लास्ट वन आई फर्स्ट से, दिस इज क्लव. क्लव के बारे में तो सबने सुना है. वी यूज इट व्हेन वी हैव अ बैड टूथ और अ डेंटल सर्जरी और अ पेन, राइट? क्लव इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड और not prescribed as such, but we always take it as a home remedy. So what is it now? अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में आया कि the one which is used as a dental analgesic, so आपको पता चला कि वो क्लव के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, बट उसका कैटेगरी कौन सा है? इट इज अ फिनॉल वोलेटाइल ऑयल. सो 4 ऑप्शन में से आपको फिनॉल सिलेक्ट करना है ऐसे. और यू माइट बी आस्क्ड समथिंग अबाउट फैमिली ऑफ, से कोरिएंडर बिलोंग्स टू एम्बेलिफेरस फैमिली, बट ऐसे नहीं डायरेक्टली देंगे कि इट इज कोरिएंडर. द वन व्हिच बिलोंग्स टू एम्बेलिफेरस फैमिली, इट इज यूज्ड एज अ फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट और स्टिमुलेटिंग एजेंट और एनीथिंग, उसके यूज के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे एंड फैमिली के बारे में बोलेंगे. सो यू हैव टू गेस दैट इट इज अ कोरिएंडर एंड आपको पूछ रहे हैं अल्कोहल वोलेटाइल ऑयल्स के बारे में. So for such questions, this table is important. अब देखते हैं first one, that is alcohol volatile oils. What are the examples? Peppermint, cardamom, coriander, rose oil and sandalwood oil. Next category is aldehyde volatile oil, जिसमें aldehyde group होगा. Examples are cinnamon, lemon peel, orange peel, citronella and lemongrass oil. Ester volatile oil, see these all are functional groups: alcohol, aldehyde, ester, ketone. So जहाँ ester present होगा, what are the examples? Lavender and mustard. अब आप सोचते रहोगे इतना सारा कैसे याद रखना है. See, one thing is revision, because Cognosy has lot of things to memorize. इसलिए हम ये videos बना रहे हैं so that you get an idea in quick 10 minutes about the topic. Also you can make some codes. अब यहाँ देखते हैं कि it is only 2 examples, M and L. So you can make the code ML for your ester volatile oils. यहाँ देखें तो it is C, C, L, L and O. So आप कर सकते हो कि C square, L square and O, that is for cinnamon, citronella, lemon peel, lemongrass and orange. So अगर आपको ऐसे कोड्स याद रखने की आदत होगी तो you can do this thing as well. Now next is hydrocarbon containing volatile oils, turpentine and black pepper. Ketone volatile oils, it is caraway, spearmint, musk, civet, camphor. Oxide volatile oils में examples क्या है? Chenopodium and eucalyptus. Eucalyptus तो आप सभी ने सुना होगा. Then next is phenolic ether volatile oils, anise, fennel and nutmeg. And phenol volatile oils are clove and thyme. So please remember this table, it is very important. आपको questions देखने के बाद पता चलेगा. So next is detection test, कि volatile oil present है या नहीं, ये detect करने को कौन सा test करते हैं. These tests are not that as specific as we studied for alkaloids or glycosides, इसमें हमें exact reagent का नाम दिया था, reagent का composition था. But yes, you need some test, right? So what do we do for volatile oils? You take a thin section of the given drug, उसमें हम alcoholic Sudan red 3 को add करते हैं, and if you get a red color, you get the presence of volatile oil. Also, the next test is somewhat similar. To the section of a drug, you add tincture of alkana and you get a red color if volatile oils are present. अगर volatile oil नहीं होगा तो आपको red color नहीं आएगा. This is another important aspect जहाँ you have to remember about the use, chemical constituent, that is उसका active constituent क्या है, and about the family. So let's begin with the first one of eucalyptus oil. इसका family है Myrtaceae. The active constituent is phenol and it is used as a counter irritant. So अगर मुझे question पूछा है कि name a counter irritant belonging to Myrtaceae family. So what they are asking me is about eucalyptus, or name a counter irritant belonging to Myrtaceae family and what is its active constituent. So you have to write it as phenol. ऐसे आपको questions आ सकते हैं. That is why these things are important. Then next is peppermint and spearmint. ये दोनों का family same है, Labiataceae. Peppermint consists L-menthol, spearmint consists carvon. Again, the use remains the same. That is, both are used as flavors or flavoring agents. Then coriander. अब देखते हैं coriander, dill, fennel. All these three are called as umbelliferous fruits. अपनी microscopy practical में देखा होगा. That is, all these have certain same features. So microscopically they all are quite similar. They belong to same family, that is umbelliferae. वो तीनों का use भी same है, that is they are used as carminative and stimulant. But the constituents are different. Coriander में क्या होता है? D-linolol. Dill is of dill, lepiol and carvon, and fennel consists of fenchon. Then nutmeg, again belonging to family Myristaceae, and it consists of myristicin and it is used in rheumatism. So here also you can expect a question. इसका use बहुत peculiar है. Name a volatile oil which is used in rheumatism. So you have to name as nutmeg, or what is the active constituent of nutmeg which is used in treatment of rheumatism? That is myristicin. Before we move further, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you have pressed this bell icon so that when we are uploading a new video, you will get a reminder. Also, we are having a free WhatsApp groups जहाँ हम daily MCQs, GPAT Sniper crash course के बारे में या other job openings के बारे में information forward करते हैं. So if you want to get added to our groups, just messages on this mentioned number which is at the bottom of screen. Put your name, city, and college name. You will be automatically added to our groups. Let's continue. Next drug, cinnamon, belonging to family Lauraceae. Cinnamon का constituent obviously cinnamaldehyde, easy to remember. And next is eugenol. It is used as a carminative and stomachic. Garlic, belonging to family Liliaceae. इसका use भी important है, that it is used as a disinfectant, and the constituents are allicin and allene. Then musk, belonging to family Cervidae. Muscone is its constituent and it is used in perfumery. Next was sandalwood oil. It was also used in perfumery. You can remember them together. Iska family is Santalaceae and the constituent are santalol and santalal. See, from the name itself, you can make out a sandalwood ka constituent hoga. Sorry, this is the typo error. It's oil. Then clove, belonging to family Myrtaceae, the constituent being eugenol, and it is used as a dental analgesic. Important one. Cardamom, belonging to Zinziberaceae, containing phenol. Again, the use is carminative and stimulant. अब हम देख सकते हैं कि after studying this volatile oils, question कैसे आएंगे? Name, that is example of alcohol volatile oil. So ये question हमें कहाँ पता चलेगा about this? From the first table which I showed you on first slide. Options are peppermint, clove, lavender and cinnamon. इस चारों में से अभी alcohol containing volatile oil कौन सा है? So the very first category, that is alcohol volatile oils, it is peppermint, cardamom, coriander, rose and sandalwood. अब ये चार में से what options do we have here? We only have peppermint which is having alcohol volatile oil. So यहाँ option A is correct. Where does clove belong? Clove belongs to phenol containing. Where does lavender belong? Lavender यहाँ है ester volatile oil, and cinnamon is the one having aldehyde group, that is aldehyde volatile oil. So this is how you can get a direct question about the class it belongs to, or indirect question which might revolve around its use or constituent जो मैंने आपको पहले explain किया था. Next question, which is the major terpenoid in clove oil? Clove oil में कौन सा terpenoid present होता है? Carvon, eugenol, phenol and menthol. अब हम देखते हैं सब constituents के बारे में. Where is carvon present? Carvon is present in spearmint. Menthol is present in peppermint. Phenol is present in eucalyptus, and eugenol is the one which is present in clove. So mainly you're asked about chemical constituent, that is the meaning of terpenoid. So अगर आपने वो family constituent use का table thoroughly किया होगा तो you will come to know this. So यहाँ option B is correct for clove. Next question. Cardamom belongs to family of dash. Again, this is a straightforward question. Directly family के बारे में पूछा है. Options are Liliaceae, Myrtaceae, Umbelliferae and Zinziberaceae. Cardamom कौन से family में आता है? Liliaceae में कौन से drug है? It is garlic. Myrtaceae, it is eucalyptus and clove. And Umbelliferae, that is umbelliferous fruits, that is fennel, coriander and dill. And Zinziberaceae is the one which is having cardamom. So यहाँ हमें cardamom पूछा है, that is why option D is correct. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We are coming up with more videos soon. Stay tuned on our channel.